Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by confirming your hosting supports WordPress Multisite. Use PHP 7. 4 or newer, MySQL 5. 7 or MariaDB equivalent, and set PHP memory limit to 256 MB for stability. Ensure Apache mod rewrite is enabled or Nginx rewrite rules are configured, and increase upload max file size to 64 MB so themes and plugins install reliably. Back up your entire site files and database, and verify you have access to edit WP config. PHP and, after confirming prerequisites, add define, WP allow multisite true to WP config. PHP and reload your WordPress admin to reveal the network setup screen. On that screen, choose whether to use subdomains or subdirectories, then enter a network title and admin email. Subdomains require wildcard DNS or server aliases. Click Install and carefully copy the generated WP config. PHP and htaccess code snippets into your files exactly as shown. Then log in again to complete network activation and access the network admin dashboard. In the network admin dashboard, you create sites, add users, and manage plugins centrally. Use the Sites menu to add a new site, the Users menu to assign accounts, and network activate plugins to apply them across all sites. Configure each site's upload quota in megabytes if you need per site limits, and use the super admin controls to update themes, plugins, and core centrally to reduce maintenance. For domain mapping or custom domains, either install a domain mapping plugin or set up server aliases and DNS records, and test each map domain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.